As commonly known, we know all these five elements, and this is the order from gross to subtler elements. When it comes to earth element, we are not talking about any animal products here. Life itself takes care of all the activities of the body. Life is capable of repairing itself, maintaining itself, improving itself without any extra help. This is the creative intelligence of life. The subtler the five elements, the higher its potency. Potency is nothing but it's the capacity, the effect to change the body and the mind. If we eat right, live right, we have abundance of health in us. So let's see from the earth element. The second gross element, we can include more raw food to remind our nature of the body to sink to its nature. The next is first gross element, the water, which is a communicating agent, which communicates with the gross to the rest of the subtler elements. For example, when we splash the water in our face, the outside water communicates with our inner body water and brings freshness. To just gulp and to fill our tummy. It's only meant for the throat because the thirst is only in the throat. Water is not to fill our tummy. The fire which we get from sun, the third subtle element in nature. All living things, including plants and other creatures, animals, fish, birds, get the help from sunlight, which is essential for our energy and our activity. Among the first five elements, air is the most important in nature. Without air, we cannot live. If we regulate our breath, air is also coming through skin. Our skin is also a breathing organ. We have to take care of better breathing through nose and better breathing through skin as well. The fifth element is ether. Ether or space. This is the next subtler element where we can understand how much to give gap between the foods and to when to give. The next subtler element is the mind. When we say about the physical health, it's the fitness of the body. But what about the mental health? Every physical ailment is never solved with a mental ailment. That means our emotional imbalance can destroy our health. No matter all the physical fitness we are doing when we are sick, that comes a stage to deal with the mind. So the next is knowledge, that is nothing but the intellect, where we hold so many beliefs. To come out of it, we have to have a very clear perception of life. So let's repeat, life is easy with every activity. This means we see all the things around us and within us in an easy pace. Finally is the egoless state where people tell the mukti stage, and that's the liberation stage. That's where we all wanted to go.